Here's how to convert MP3 to WAV. So if you got some MP3 files, like I got a sample one right here, I can click and drag it into this app that I created called ConvertSave. There's a link down below, or check it out at convertsave.com. I drag my audio in, I select my format, and then I hit convert, and it saves the WAV file right next to wherever that MP3 came from. You can also do video to WAV if you want to. So like this MP4 file, could click and drag it in here, and then I'll just get rid of this MP3 real quick. Oh, WAV is already selected, so hit convert, converts, saves, boom. I got my WAV file conversion right there. Now this works offline on Windows and Mac. And so I was kind of sick of uploading all my file conversions to random websites and having to Google them every time. This saves me a ton of time. I just click and drag things in, convert, and boom, I've got it. This also works for images. So there are hundreds of file conversions you can do with ConvertSave. I created this with my brother. He's a software developer, and he helped me make this thing. We're going to keep adding features to it, so I hope you guys find it useful. And that's how I convert MP3 to WAV and a ton of other files to different file formats. Hopefully, yeah, like I said, you find it useful. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next one.